In everyday English conversations, people often share ideas or make suggestions. Knowing how to agree politely and naturally helps you sound friendly and confident. In this lesson, you will learn simple and useful phrases that show agreement when someone suggests something. Agreeing with suggestions happens all the time in daily life. You might agree with friends when making weekend plans or with classmates when deciding on group activities. At work, you may agree with colleagues about project ideas. Even small choices like what to eat or where to meet often involve agreeing politely. Practicing these interactions helps you sound more fluent. Here are some short and natural ways to agree. You can say, "That is a good idea," or "Sure, let us do that." You can also say, "Sounds good to me," "Yes, absolutely," "I think that is a great plan," or "Okay, I agree with you." These expressions sound friendly and positive. Use them naturally according to the situation. Let us hear some examples. Someone might say, "How about going for a walk this evening?" You can reply, "Good idea, let us go after dinner." Or, if your friend says, "Let us watch a movie tonight," you can answer, "Sure, that sounds fun." Another example is, "Let us order pizza instead of cooking," and you can respond, "Sounds good to me." These short exchanges show how easily you can agree in conversation. When agreeing, your words and tone should match the situation. With friends, you can sound relaxed by saying, "Sure," or "Good idea." In polite or formal settings, you might say, "That sounds like a good plan." If you want to show excitement, say something like, "Absolutely, let us do that." When you simply accept an idea calmly, say, "Yes, that works for me." Choosing the right tone makes your English sound more natural and respectful. In professional or formal contexts, polite expressions show respect and cooperation. You can say, "I think that is a great idea," or "That sounds like a good plan." You can also say, "Yes, I agree with that approach," or "I completely support that suggestion." These phrases make your agreement sound thoughtful and respectful while staying friendly. Let us practice. Imagine someone says, "Let us have lunch together later." You could say, "Sure, that sounds good." If a coworker says, "We could start the meeting a bit earlier," you might say, "That is a good idea." When a friend says, "How about studying at the library this weekend?" you can respond, "Sounds good to me." These examples help you practice speaking naturally while showing agreement in real situations. You have learned several ways to agree politely and naturally in English. Keep your phrases short and positive. Match your tone to the situation, whether it is friendly, polite, or formal. Common phrases like "sure," "good idea," and "sounds good" make you sound natural and confident. Keep practicing until these responses become part of your daily speech. Positive agreement helps build strong and friendly communication.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.